Let's have a quick tour of our showroom and office. This is the aquarium, fabrication area over there, the main entrance, and the service entrance. When you enter the huge pivot glass doors, the lobby where you can easily see some information, achievements about our company. Moving in this area is the kitchen and dining. The dining table can accommodate at least 10 persons. We use different tile patterns on the floors, and we have tile mosaic style in dining chairs. We usually have our lunch here, so there's the appliances. Over here is where the coffee and other beverages. There's the kitchen counter, the coffee machines over there, plates and other utensils, organizers, and the sink. We make sure that this area is always clean after using it because this is also our showroom for our kitchen and dining services and products. Over here is our sample material and products showroom. Here's for the floorings, for wall coverings. We have laminates here, wallpapers. We also have fabrics. We also have lights, LED lights, and fire alarm systems. Right in this area is for cabinetry. Right in this area, we have our swing here to unwind. We have our meeting area here with organic modern design for a chill and calm vibes effect. This is our phone booth area to have our private and quiet convo meeting with clients. The discussion room and beanbags area. And another more bigger meeting room with modern look. And this is the toilet. This is the stairs going to our office area. This is our small pantry area where a small sink and water dispenser is. This is where the staff's small morning conversation happens. Our material library. And right here is our printing area and our discussion area. And of course our working area. We have about 20 seats here and looking forward for more members of the team. That's it, a really quick run tour of our office and hoping to grow further.